Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable voice to text mode on the iPhone 17 Pro. So, if you want to use your voice and not send voice message but text somebody, we've got you covered. What you have to do is open up your keyboard layout. So, for an example, I'll go over to the messages and here select my friend. Now here what you guys can do is go over and click on the iMessage, click on the microphone icon and start talking. So, hello, how are you? What are you doing right now? And as you guys can see, it also uses the inner function, the question marks, and it works perfectly fine. So now, what can we do? We can send that message, and that's basically how you guys can do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.